Hey everybody, how you doing? Jim from Racers and Rods here. It is almost lunchtime on Thursday. We are 2 days out for Lowrider Fest 2024, first annual Quaker Steak and Lube in Clearwater, Florida. This is going to be a good one. I'm a little nervous. We've got a lot of stuff going on, a lot of stuff we're trying to finish before the show, just to kind of give you a little bit of an idea. We've got about 120 cars registered right now. We've got about 40, almost 50 bicycles, a couple motorcycles, that sort of thing. So there's going to be a lot of cars there. The south lot, where most of the clubs are going to be and most of the VIP cars that have signed up are going to be, is officially full. We're starting to fill up the north lot, and then kind of general admission, overflow, everything we do from here on is going to be in the back lot. So we're going to have a lot of cars. Just to let you know, we have about a dozen clubs coming, with about 75 cars total. Just kind of looking at some of the stats here. We've got sponsors and or vendors. We've got about a dozen. We've got a little bit of everything there. I think everybody's going to enjoy that. A lot of them have given us raffle prizes. We will have raffle prizes to give away: t-shirts, paraphernalia, posters, a little bit of everything there. We also are going to have a 50-50 drawing. If you buy tickets for the raffle, you will be entered into the 50-50. All of that'll be included. And I'll let a little bit, and probably if maybe you've seen it, I've kind of kept it a little bit of a secret. I do have two special raffle prizes that will be a separate raffle. I have two pedal cars that I've acquired. They're not old pedal cars, but they are vintage looking hot rods. One of them is actually a true pedal car. The other one is for a little bit smaller child, that they would kind of push it, kick it with their feet. That, like I said, they're not old, they're not vintage. But I thought it would be a kind of a cool idea, because I know a lot of people are into that, especially in the lowrider crowd. But we've doctored it up a little bit. Our friend Henry has graciously created some custom seats for us. Neither one of them had a plastic seat in it. The other one didn't have any. So really cool seats. He's done some custom seats for us for those. You'll see those here soon. And I've got Miguel with the Bomb Art. We're trying to get him to him prior to the show. Weren't able to do that, but he will be there. He actually will be there pinstriping cars on Saturday live. If you want him to do that, we'll get him there and get you hooked up. But he is also going to be early Saturday morning sitting down, and he's going to custom pinstripe both of the pedal cars for us. So even though, like I said, they're not antiques, they're not old like maybe some of the cars you've seen, they are very vintage looking, and of course they're going to be customized. If you're into that, hopefully people are. We're going to raffle those off. That'll be really cool. I want to keep those, but I'm not allowed. I've been told I have no room at the house to keep those. So anyway, so we're going to raffle those off. Let's see, what else? DJ Brian with the music. Like I said, a lot of vendors. Shout out to Roosters Rod Shop and Lurch. Both of them coming in as kind of our major sponsors. Lurch will be there with his custom art. If you've never seen the things that he does, you'll be amazed. Skateboards, tumblers, trays with custom custom effects on them, that sort of thing. Those are pretty cool. I believe he may actually be bringing something that may be one of our awards, maybe. Speaking of awards, it's kind of interesting. I'll kind of back up a little bit. When we first started this show, my idea was to do something for free. I didn't want to do trophies. I didn't want to do awards. I wanted to do something where the lowrider community could come together. It wasn't going to cost you anything. Come out, have a good time. It was more of a celebration than it was a car show. So the more we got interest in it from other people and got a little bit further along, I realized that we had people coming from out of town. We are going to be in Clearwater. We had people coming from Ocala, potentially the other coast, as far as away as Jacksonville. And I didn't want something where the lot would be full, or, we'd have a full house and, have people drive multiple hours to get here, and either your club can't park together, or, as I've seen in a couple shows, not too many, we just don't have room to put you. So I didn't want to do that. So we came up with the idea of the VIP spots. We didn't do it for the money. It didn't bring in a ton of money, but we wanted to do something where you could reserve a spot, and as I've said all along, if you reserved a spot, it was $10. It's $10 for a car, $50 for a club. Doesn't matter how many, as long as you have 5 or more people in the club. If you're bringing 10 cars, it's $5 a car. I just wanted to do something where it was guaranteed that you had a spot. We knew you were coming. You put a little bit of money down, and with that, we can plan the parking area and know that if you're coming from out of town, you don't have to be there at 7:30, 8 o'clock in the morning, which we don't want you to be. VIP cars and clubs, please no earlier than 9. If you're not registered and you're coming just as a roll-in, we have plenty of room for you now. We've got the whole lot there. We can put 250 or so cars in the lot there at Quaker Soup, thanks to Bill giving us the whole lot there. You guys can roll in at 10 and we'll get the show started at 11, but we'll have plenty of room for everybody. So anyway, so we wanted to do something that was free, but wanted to make sure somehow that we could guarantee people spots if they were coming from out of town and that sort of thing. I don't want anybody to be disappointed with the fact that they can't park their car. So we came up with this idea with the VIP. Obviously, it's been very successful. We've got 120 cars or so that are signed up right now. We've got enough room for at least that many more, if not more. So it became more of a show than it did a gathering, which is kind of what I wanted it to be. So thought long and hard about it. So as you may have seen online, and what we've created in-house some awards. I think they're nice. I think they're cool. We wanted to do something different. Shout out to my wife Debbie, who's working hard. We're making all these in-house. We made let's see, we have top 25 cars. We're printing this morning 7 or 8 more that are best of, best antique, best classic, best truck, best paint, a variety of those. So we've got, so that's 25. So we've got over 30 awards there. Got a few more coming that we're working on. Top 10 bikes. If you haven't seen them, I don't have one here. Look on the Facebook site here. Look for the Lowrider event. We have some really cool things that we created for the bicycle guys, that are made out of actual genuine front sprockets that we bought online in bulk. And are they fancy? Maybe not, but they're pretty cool, and they're unique. You're not going to get one anywhere else like this. They're a little rough around the edges, some of them, but they're made from our hands here in our little hole in the wall. So hopefully they're appreciated. We've got a couple other surprises, a couple other little things. We've got some goodie bags. The goodie bags, we can't get anything else in them. They are packed full of stuff. Stickers, lanyards, calendars, just a whole huge variety of things. Koozie cups, all kinds of stuff. So anyway, so that's kind of what we're doing there. I just wanted to kind of give an update. So like I said, Saturday morning, we'll be there early. Vendors, we'd like to have vendors and sponsors there 8:30 to 9:30. 9 o'clock if you're a club or your VIP car, start coming in. The only thing I'm hoping that we don't have is 100 cars in line trying to get into the place, and we have cars out on the main road, which will be dangerous out there on, I think it's 46th Street, 49th Street. So please adhere to that, like 9 o'clock, 9:30ish. Club cars, VIP cars. 10 o'clock. We'll make a separate line for non-registered cars. We'll get you in. We have plenty of parking. We'll get everybody parked. It is the back lot, but it's not going to be a inferior lot because there's going to be a lot of cars there. So it's going to be just another area for the car show. We're going to have a couple contests. We're going to have some things going on there. So it's going to be a great time. I'm really looking forward to it. I'm looking forward for everybody to come and see what we've planned, how we've put this together. Hopefully it runs smoothly. Everybody comes and leaves happy. Please patronize Quaker Steak and Lube. They have great food. They have great drinks. The bar's open. You can have a beer. Don't overdo it. In the goodie bags, there's some food coupons and I believe some drink coupons for Quaker Steak and Lube. Actually, I'm looking at them right here. I've got a couple more that we'll give away as the day goes by. This is good for one free drink, whether it's a soft drink, domestic pint of beer, house wine, or well liquor. So there you go. And get your drink on. So we've got a few of those we'll give away for free. There's stickers in the bag and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, as long as we can get everybody in the lot set up, get the vendors set up, and get the show on the road, I'll be able to breathe by 10:30, 11 o'clock. So we want everybody to come. We want to have everybody to come and have a good time. Like I said, we have some special things going on, so we appreciate everybody coming out and come out, be safe. Like I said, please patronize Quaker Steak and Lube. They give us the lot for free. No outside drink or alcohol or anything like that. And the big thing, and I'm a stereo guy too. I'm a bass guy too. But because of the surroundings, because of how many cars we're going to have there, how close it is, please, please, please refrain. No music, no loud bass, no cranking it up. We know you have a big system, but this is not the time or the place to do it. I hate to say it this way, but if anybody doesn't listen to that, that is a big, big issue for us, and especially management there at the restaurant. So, just flat out no second warnings. You'll be asked to leave. We just can't have that kind of. We have a DJ that we're paying to do announcements and play music, and we know you might have a large system, but this is not the time or place to do it. So please, no music, no loud bass. It gets a little loud and obnoxious. So anyway, just one of my pet peeves. So with that, we hope everybody comes. We hope everybody has a good time. If you're not registered already, I think you can still register through the end of tomorrow, end of Friday night, midnight. So if you want to do that and make sure you save a space, we do have a handful, 20 or so in the north lot where you'll be parked. If not, if you want to take the chance, you want to come for free, you want to come park your car in the back lot, we can do that too. There will be a lot of cars back there. You're not going to be back there all alone with the crickets. So hope everybody comes. Hope everybody has a good time. We're looking forward to it. We're pumped. We've got a lot of interesting things coming. We've got a couple surprises for you. We are having a three-wheel king of the three-wheeler contest. We have 10 people that have jumped up, the first 10 that got in and signed up. So we're going to have that contest. We want to have everybody vote on that. So we'll have a pretty good display of three-wheeling there. And we had one gentleman that had a vehicle that unfortunately is down. We're going to do a hop exhibition. I think I have another one lined up. We're gonna have a guy that has a pretty cool car that's one of the stands up on the bumper. So we want to do that just a little bit. We want to be safe with that. But anyway, like I said, it's going to be a good time. So we're looking forward to it. We'll see you there. See you on Saturday.